guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a protein shake, and here I have some simple but nutritious ingredient that is also affordable to make a nice healthy flavorful shake. So we are going to add our ingredients to the NutriBullet. Here is my banana. It's a medium-sized banana. This is about half a cup of oatmeal. And we have here a tablespoon of flaxseed. We know flaxseed is very healthy, good for our skin. And we have some Greek yogurt here. This is 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is preferable because it is more higher in protein. The regular yogurt, you get like 8%. The Greek yogurt, you get 20% or more. And this is the plain non-fat. We are going to get some fat from our flax seeds, so we are still having some fat of this. So this is like about half a teaspoon of nutmeg with some vanilla, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Here we have the final result of a lovely glass of high protein shake. With all these affordable ingredients, you are able to enjoy a nutritious high protein shake with fiber, nutrient like the flaxseed that is good for our skin and with other benefits, the protein that is good for our body, help build our muscle, and the banana potassium, it's good for our heart, and we have some oatmeal there that is high in fiber. So guys, go ahead, try this recipe and let me know how did yours came out. This is perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner because it's like you're eating a complete meal. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to receive my new upload. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.